Then let's use margin bottom 1 pixel, because it's the bottom we want to adjust. See the bottom spaces here. So if I'm to use 2, yes, the space is okay now. So let's apply it in our label also. Okay. So when you apply it, it's disarranged. So that means we don't need to use this again. But there's another thing before I space this. This select box and this one, they don't rhyme. This is what you do. You will add width for them because there's no it's see the width. So to add width, you will do it like this. Just select box that you want to increase, put width. Let's adjust it to 200 pixel first. It's too much. 150. It's too small. 180. 170. 165. Oh, 168. 169. Okay. So you can see, yes. Then we submit here. This submit button, if you want to style this submit button, style like this. Let's border. That means you should not have any border. 0. Background. Let me use blue. Color. Let's use white. Padding. Let me use like 8 pixel, 20 pixel. It's too big. Okay. Border radius 5 pixel. Okay. When my mouse is on it, if you want some effect on it, you write, let's put transition there 0.3 seconds. How will this work? It will not work now. You can see it will not work. So until I say, when do you want it to work? Button over. That means when you put mouse on that button, what will now happen? Box shadow, you should have shadow. Shadow of 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 2 pixel. What's the color? Gray. Gray. See. So you can see how it comes up. It's too slow. Reduce it to 1 second. So you can see it's telling me to input something there. See. Now if you want to remove the color around here, so there's a way, a simple way to do that. That is that one is focus, outline none. So this is a simple form. Actually, we've not started CSS. In CSS, we style our form better and we style the whole page also. Okay, now let's go to media. Start your HTML. Media. How you can add video, audio to your page, to your website. So I want to start with, let's save this file first. Let's call it video let's call it media.html. Let me look for a video to use. I'm going to use this one. So let's copy to our document, lecture. So this is the video I want to use. Alright. Now we now do it. You start with the video tag called video. Press enter. So in this video, this is a video tag that need you to put and to locate where your file is. And also you need to understand something that video, there are some browsers that support different extensions. You know, we have video like .mp4, like the one I want to use. So in this .mp4, this .mp4, Internet Explorer, yes, it can play it. Chrome can play it. Firefox can play it. Safari can play it. Opera can play it. So we can use MP4. But another one we have OGG. So is another extension. We have .ogg, we have .webbm. .webm. Let me do like this. .mp4. Internet Explorer can understand, can play it. Chrome can play it, Firefox can play it, Safari can play it, Opera can play it. .webm, any video with the word webm. Internet Explorer cannot play it, Chrome can play it, Firefox can play it, Safari cannot play it, Opera can play it. .ogg videos. This one, Internet Explorer cannot play it. This can play it, Firefox can play it, Safari cannot play it, Opera can play it. So let's start with this video. You now enter the source. What is the source of the video? Source. What is the name I want? That is arts.mp4. Arts.mp4. What is the type? A video slash mp4 file. So let's run this. What happens? Nothing. Okay. What will you do? That means we need to add what is called controls to this video. Controls. Now let's check it. Yes, you can see control here. This and my pause play. You can so let me refresh. It does not play itself. Okay, let's do like this. Autoplay. Refresh itself. So that means you can add autoplay so that it will play itself. Autoplay like this. It will play itself. Let's check it like this. Alright. And also, what if you want another extension to be there? OGG. Maybe does OGG. We have that video. We have the video. You can add it like this. So one will be taken. If your browser understands .mp4, fine. This one will be neglected. If your browser does not understand this, this will be taken and this will be neglected. So that's why you can add more sources there. So it's only one I use. So it's a simple way to add video to your website. For MP3, that is audio. Internet Explorer can play Chrome, yes, Firefox, in fact all of them except .wave. Internet Explorer cannot play it. Chrome can play it. In fact browser can play it. .ogg audio. Internet Explorer cannot play it. This can play it, Safari cannot play it, Opera can play it.